Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Wynd air quality monitoring device, app, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Wynd is an air quality monitoring app designed to help users understand and track the cleanliness of the air around them. It works with Wynd's portable and home monitoring devices to measure pollutants such as PM 2.5, allergens, smoke, and other airborne particles. The app provides real-time AQI readings, personalized alerts when air quality drops, and detailed historical trends to help users make better environmental decisions. It's available on both iOS and Android and connects seamlessly with Wynd devices through Bluetooth. The app's main feature is its real-time air quality dashboard. It updates instantly as conditions change and gives users clear, color-coded insights into whether the surrounding air is safe. It also allows users to pair Wynd purifiers, enabling automatic adjustments based on air quality. The system works quietly in the background and provides ongoing monitoring no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate readings, simple interface, and reliability when tracking pollution outdoors and indoors. It's especially helpful for people with allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to poor air quality. The portability of Wynd devices makes monitoring convenient while traveling or commuting. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's full functionality depends on owning Wynd hardware, and without it, features are limited. Some users also report occasional syncing delays or connectivity issues. In addition, the accuracy of readings may vary slightly depending on environmental conditions or device placement. In summary, the Wynd app may be worth using if you want precise, real-time air quality tracking, portable monitoring, and automatic purifier control. However, if you prefer a fully standalone app or do not plan to use Wynd hardware, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.